the barbecue. We're back with another barbecue recipe. And this one I actually made a really long time ago, and I suggest this to everyone when they want something easy to make, because this one is really easy and really good. It goes along with the name of the recipe, which is actually the best crock pot barbecue chicken ever. The good news about this one is that it's basically a base, and you can add any other seasonings and other stuff you want into this to make it whatever twist you want. Last time I used the sweet and spicy barbecue. This time I'm using hickory barbecue sauce. So we'll see how this goes. Our total for everything here is $14.71. So along with that, it is also pretty cheap, so not too bad. We're gonna start off by making the sauce first, so let me go ahead and get that taken care of. So here we are with all of our stuff measured out. Let's go ahead and just start pouring things together. And with that, we are now ready to go. I told you this was easy. So we'll just load in our chicken. I just kind of throw it in, it doesn't really matter. What are you looking at? Then we come in with a little bit of salt, as usual, once I open the right side. Like most recipes, it wants you to salt them and then throw them in, but why? Who even needs to do that? And then we just pour in our sauce. And then we cook it on high for 3 to 4 hours. See? Doesn't get easier than that. Ah! It's done. Ow, that's hot. So anyway, we just need to shred it. They say to take it out and shred it, but I prefer just stabbing it repeatedly. And we are complete. Let's check out our work. Ooh, looks pretty good, doesn't it? Yeah, looks pretty plain. It's just shredded chicken. So in that case, we got all of our toppings and stuff here. We got our Hawaiian sweet rolls. Whoops, I don't even know what I'm doing. Hawaiian sweet rolls. So good. We can put those to make them into little sandwiches. We got some cheddar cheese here. Let me get my sweet action cam going. Yeah, some pepperoncinis. Famous Dave's spicy pickles, only the best. And then our medium sharp cheddar, because this one is good. And the cornbread, can't forget that. You cannot have barbecue without cornbread, or I'll kill you. So let's assemble. And here we are. There's all our food. Looking good, doesn't it? Well, it's all mine, you can't have any. Well, I hope this recipe works out for you. I've already given it to a lot of people so that they could try it out, and they say that it's pretty good too. So I think you'll enjoy this. Let me know if you change up anything and if it works for you. Well, the one thing I would change about this one is maybe do 1.5 times the amount of sauce it calls for, or maybe 2 times just so that it has more sauce, because it's a little bit lacking in the sauce. And like I said at the beginning, this is the base, so you can modify anything you want to make it more to your liking, like leaving out the sugar if you don't want it to be too sweet, or adding in other seasonings. So whatever you like to make it perfect for you.